Hey everyone, bienvenidos a mi canal. If you guys are new here, my name is Karen. If you guys are not, then welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I created right here with the Annette69 with Beauty Creations palette. This is a colorful palette, so I'll show you guys really quick. That is what it looks like. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Let's start with doing my eyebrows. Actually, no, priming. We're going in with the primer by Too Faced and the moisturizer as well. Just a pump of the moisturizer, so I actually just moisturize my face. Going with my Clinique Pep Start next. For my eyebrows, I am going to be doing the NYX pencil, and I'm just going to fast forward this part really quick. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I am going to carve them out with my Tarte Shape Tape in a medium. Alright, now that my eyelids are done, I'm going to go in with the shade 9. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M537 brush. Put that all into the crease. So, you guys, a funny thing, I actually don't like pink. I've never liked pink, but I really wanted to try out this colored look. And I thought, hey, why not try pink? Because the green one I have it saved for later. Do the same thing to the other eye. Now, when you're working with colors like this, you want to keep adding and adding, but you want to focus it more towards the end. Because if you focus it more to the front, that's when it looks like you have a black eye. And I know you guys know what I mean. And just blending, blending, blending is the key. For the next shade, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M433 brush. Wow, this color is so beautiful. Like these, I'm really shook at these colors because they are so crazy pigmented. And once again, just focusing the color down here. And then you just want to bring it forward. Whatever's left on your brush. Going in with that first brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. What I like to do is put it on the back of my hand so I don't keep going into... What? I like to put it on my hand, the back of my hand, so I can just go in there, cut my crease so I don't have to keep going back into the little container. Now I'm going to be using my Morphe M421 brush to cut my crease. If you're looking for a good brush to cut your crease, I highly recommend this one. It is really good. It's really soft but hard enough to cut your crease, and I love it. So what I like to do is put some on my lid, whatever's left on my brush, start cutting it. And I'm not going to drag it all the way because I'm going to blend that in so the two colors can blend. I'm going to go with that same color 9, putting it on the concealer. When you're doing colors like this on concealer, you want to pat the color in, not drag it on, because then it's not really going to give the color the full effect. Going back in with my Morphe M43 brush, I'm going to grab Alien Girl once again, and we are going to blend these two colors in right here. So just going back and forth. I'm going to fast forward this whole part because it's the same thing. color Leo. Let's try with our finger. It's not really working. Okay. So try it with your finger if you guys have this palette, or if you guys are wanting to get this palette. Try Leo with your finger. Comes out really, really good with your finger. Going in with my NYX eyeliner in matte. Alright, so now that part of the eyes are done, I'm gonna do my foundation and concealer off camera, and then I'll come back for the end of the video when I'm doing my lipstick and all that. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my e.l.f. gel. Gonna pop on my Flasshy mink lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go with my MAC highlighter in the name Show Gold, and this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's like a pink and gold fluorescent. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M510 brush. Both sides. Also my Cupid's bow. A little bit over my eyebrow. Then going down the bridge of my nose, I'm going to use my Morphe M431 brush. I'm also going to place that right in the center, right in the front of my eyes. Now to finish everything off is the lips. I'm going to go in with Stripdown by MAC. I actually really like the look. I honestly didn't think I was going to like it because, once again, I don't like pink, but I really like it. The palette is so bomb. Highly, highly suggest if you guys are looking for a color palette. The Annette69 with Beauty Creations one is thebomb.com. Alright guys, well that is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this color makeup look. If you guys want more like this, comment down below. Let me know what color you guys are wanting to see. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification button so you guys get notified every time I post a new video, and I see you guys in the next one.